So guys, this is the crucial part of preparing your meat. This is essential. You push your finger between the, or whatever you want to use, between the bones, clean the bone. Cleaning your meat is very important with lime, vinegar, baking soda, salt, taking care to get between the parts of your chicken or whatever meat, and remove the excess fat. And yeah, that step is very important, guys. So if I'm going out to the restaurant, this needs to be done. Okay, it needs to be done. It's not about the final part of oh, it tastes so good and all that. No, that's not it. Okay, this is essential. You clean your meat. Cleanliness is godliness.